Each day, Steve recorded the number of ducks he saw on the river. We know that each dot in the dot plot represents a day. So let's count the number of days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days. That was easy. We just counted dots to get 11 for this answer. To find the 5 numbers summary, let's input the data at Desmos. In the Desmos graphing calculator, let's begin by typing capital L equals open close bracket. Let's input the numbers. We have two 17s, so let's type 17, 17, comma. There are 4 19s, so we have to input 19 4 times. Remember to put a comma between each number. There are 3 20s, 20, 20, 20, comma. Finally, we have 121 and 123. 21, 23. Do not put a comma after the last number. We now type STATS set L. We have the 5 number summary here, so let's type them here. Like this. That was easy as well. The range is the difference between the minimum and maximum. Since 23 minus 17 is 6, the range is 6. The IQR is the difference between Q3 and Q1, and since 20 minus 19 is 1, the IQR is 1. Let's now build the fences. The lower fence is Q1, 19 minus 1.5 times the IQR, which is 1. That value is 17.5. So the lower fence is 17.5. Let's now build the upper fence. The upper fence is Q3, which is 20, plus 1.5 times the IQR, which is 1. When we calculate that value, we get 21.5. In our data, any number bigger than the upper fence, 21.5, is an outlier, and 23 is bigger than 21.5. So let's check 23. Any number smaller than 17.5 is an outlier, and 17 is smaller than 17.5, so it is an outlier. Let's now find the mean or the average. We could add up all the numbers and divide by 11, or at Desmos, we could just type mean set L, and we get 19.45. So for the mean, let's type 19.45. The mode is the most common number, and it is easily identified in the dot plot as the number below the highest stack. So the mode is clearly 19. We have already found the median, so let's just retype it here. Let's now look at the final conditional question. It says, how many ducks would Steve have to see on the next day for the range of the data to be 8 ducks? Click the number in the dot plot that would make the range 8. Remember, he always sees at least 17 ducks. Remember, the range subtracts the smallest and largest numbers. So if we just added another 23, the range would still be 6. If we added a 24, the range would now be 7, because 24 minus 17 is 7. That means we want to add 25, because 25 minus 17 is 8, and the range would now be 8. Let's add 25 to the data at Desmos to see what changes. So in set L, let's put comma 25 at the end. The median changed to 19.5. Q3 changed to 20.5. So let's click median and Q3. We know the range changed to 8. 19 is still the highest stack, so the mode did not change. When we type mean set L, it changed to 19.92. So the mean changed. Usually the mean will change. The IQR is Q3 minus Q1. 20.5 minus 19 is 1.5. So the IQR changed also. I have had a whole lot of fun working on this dot plot with you. See if you can do the next page all by yourself.